Well, good morning, gang, or good afternoon. What the fuck is that? Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now I'm out and about today for a little jolly. It's been a while, to be honest, or it feels like it's a while, because I've been in the garage strapping all kinds of stuff to the new beast. Well, I didn't forget to go out for a ride, but the weather's been naff, so managed to get myself out on a bit of a jolly today. Just a short ride out, but I thought I'd take you guys along for the ride. Not on my own today though, out with a few buddies from our KTM sort of club that we have, if you call it a club. And we've just been up to Köterberg, which is one of the highest points around where I live. Unfortunately, the camera wouldn't work on the way up. I couldn't get it to turn on, the bloody thing. But I've sorted all that out now, so I thought I'd film the ride back. A bit of a nice route on the way down. We're going to go stop at another cafe, have some cake. It's actually perfect to the weather-wise for today. It's only about 20 degrees, but pretty windy, so there's a bit of a chill in the air. Glad to see that you're all enjoying a bit of garage content over the last few weeks. As I said, I've had a lot to do to get the bike sort of where I want it to. Still waiting on a few things though. As I said in the last video, there's been some delays on my graphics kit and my Cobra Exhausts, but I'm hoping that both of them are going to be shipped next week. So there's another couple of vids to come in the garage, and yeah, but really I've just been wanting to get out and ride. I mean, I've only had the bikes a few weeks, and I've put, what have I put on it? 2,000 Ks. I must have two grand on it now. Ooh. Pay attention, Sean. Yeah, just over 2,000 kilometers I've stuck on it in a few weeks, which ain't bad to be honest, but it just feels like over the last couple of weeks I've hardly been out. But not to worry, plenty of time in the garage with the bike and beer. What's not to like? You can't get out and ride her, drink beer and work on her. Ain't half bad. Oh, I need a wee. Stop the bus, I need a wee. There's quite a few up there actually at Köterberg, to be honest. I thought it was going to be less busy than that, but the Corona police were definitely up there, making sure everybody is social distancing. But what else to come? I imagine I'll have got this video probably released before the weekend I did with Andy Mancam and Bulldog Gaz. That video is going to take a little bit longer because of all the sort of logistics behind it, of me getting hold of Andy's footage and Gaz's footage, and it takes an eternity to edit a dual vlog, and we filmed a three-way vlog, so disastrous. But I've potentially got another weekend away the end of September, where it's definitely happening. Just figuring out where we're going to go. Probably going to go to Thüringer Wald, which is also amazing to ride. So we've still got a bit of summer left. Hey Cardo, music on. Stay up there, you bastard. I'm so happy I chopped in the GT for this bike. Still, after 2,000 kilometers, I still haven't found anything that I don't like, and that's probably going to stay that way now, to be honest, which I've never had in a bike. There's nothing, absolutely nothing that I don't like about it. Yeah, so I hope you're all keeping well and you've been able to get out on your steeds over this rubbish time. I know some of you have been able to actually get away down to the Alps and a few bits and bobs, so that's good. I haven't been able to get away at all out of country. I've just stayed in country. But luckily that I live in Germany and it's the absolute tits here to ride a bike. Still need a wee. Should have gone before we left. Got my big girl pants on and everything. Morning Trevor, Dennis, Rodney. Oh, it's getting that bad, I'm actually considering swamping myself. Oh yes, check my glove on the floor. Come on, not on there, that. Knacking my screen. Yeah, that'll do. Bit of the old go-go juice, splash and dash. It's full, give over. Blub 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 blub. Bish bash bosh. Awesome, these tank bags. Don't know if I mentioned it. Can't stop looking at her. What a weapon. Ja. Ich muss schiffen. Ich habe keinen Bock, den Schlüssel zu holen. Ich mach's einfach in die Hose. Ich piss mir einfach ein. Ready to race. Warm. It's actually got warmer. Getting a bit of a dab on. 23 degrees. It's definitely not 38 degrees like I had in Sauerland with the Andy Man and Bulldog Girls. That was horrific. Yes, please and thank yous. That was fantastic. Oh, you proper dodgy. She was nearly in the bush. Bob, bob, bob. Oh, nice, a bumpy road just to shake the bladder about a bit. Oh, I recognise this, we're there, we're there. It's definitely not shut. Don't bin it, don't bin it, don't bin it. Right, I'm definitely going to go and have some cake covered in cream. Well, I just walloped in a nice piece of apple cake with cream. Hashtag fat bastard. Oops. Bish, bash, bosh. Right then, a little bit longer on the way home. I'm going to get back home, stick the barbie on, smash a few bottles of beer in my face. Pretty successful day. Just had a little rain shower, but it's that warm, it's just evaporated.
A little more time with you, baby. Time to figure out what this could be. I dreamt of a life in a small
Horrible.
town that wasn't enough for you somehow. I just wish I had a little more time with you, baby.
Camera's had enough and all. Go on, Ingrid, let's give him some shit.
I wish I could freeze this moment, just never let it end. Walking through the snow when you're taking my hand. All of those late nights on your couch, when we just talked until midnight. I just wish I could freeze this moment, babe. Weeks and months and years they passed, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head.
Wicked. Like it? I like it a lot.
Months and years they passed, but then I found something I knew would last. Just like my mama said, gradually fades away. All the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart. That's what my mama said. That's what my mama said. That's what my mama said.
Well guys, we are nearing the end to today's ride. Bit less chit chat in this video, but it was all about the ride. As I said before, a few more garage videos to come, but hopefully I'm going to be trying to get out a bit more on the bike to get more rides out filmed and vlogged. Nevertheless, if you liked the video today, make sure you leave me a like down below. Leave your comments, questions or queries down in the comment section below. Thank you all for watching. Thank you again to you guys over on the Patreon page who go that extra mile to support the channel. If that's something that interests you, links to my Patreon page are in the description below. Every bit of help counts. But until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.